other words, your registering authority would have been an area near Mahlabathini in KwaZulu-Natal.
Athuna ke indawo bokumele ukuthi uyisebenzisile indawo eseduze nasemahlabathini lapha KwaZulu-Natal kusifundazwe sase KZN.
Cha, bengeke ngisebenzise indawo yase KZN ngoba bengenza la eGoli.
No, I
Uma
was-
uzokwenza into lokhu traffic department akaze kuze kube nesikhathi laba abahlala nami bengitshena ukuthi la ubhalisa iaddress yala ohlala khona. Banginikeza uyiphepha noma bangibuza imibuzo ukuthi iyiphi address engisebenzisayo. Hayi ukuthi iaddress yala ngihlala khona. Iaddress engisebenzisayo ngoba ngithi ngisebenzisa address yaseBasuthini hostel. Mina ngoba mangila eGoli leso sikhathi lesika 2014 hayi yasekhaya ukuba bona basho ukuthi awuvumelekile ukusebenzisa iaddress yala ongahlali khona uvumelekile ukusebenzisa iaddress yala ohlala khona njengamanje ngangeke ngize kubanikeza iaddress angiyobatshela iaddress anginayo andingomezulu wambuza lo yamuntu lo ukuthi lo muntu lo uma enza lento le angeke enze lento bese ebuyela ekhaya na wathi uma nhlo engakwenza lento mayiqeda eyibuyelele ekhaya.
My lord, while I was at the traffic department, they did not ask me anything pertaining to the addresses or anything pertaining to the address. I was going to inform them that I am coming from KwaZulu-Natal under the Mahlabathini area, and now that they did not ask me that, that is the reason as to why I gave out an address of Vosloorus at Basotho Hostel. Only if they said that you are not allowed to make use of a set address, of a certain address whereby you are not residing there. Therefore, I was going to inform them that I don't have an address simply because of I am coming from a rural area that is under the area of Mahlabathini, and even the late Mr. Ngomezulu did ask Mr. Matlo that.
Mr. Sibia, simply put, you live in Mahlabathini. Why did you not go to the nearest DLT center to Mahlabathini?
Uthi umshushisi into nje elula ke mnumzana Sibiya uyahamba usuka eMahlabathini ugibela mhlawumbe itekisi mhlawumbe ugibela uyashayela emotweni uzake eGoli uzake la etraffic department yaseGoli kungani pho ungayile ku-traffic department eliseduze nasemahlabathini?
Ingoba ngangithanda ukwenza i-learners la eGoli.
It is because of I wanted to do my learners here in Gauteng.
I say you traveled all the way from Mahlabathini to Gauteng just to do a learner driving test.
Manje ukuthi umshushisi ngabe wona ke washayela ke usuka le Mahlabathini libangisa la eGoli ukuthi uzokwenza ke i-learners yakho shemaphepha okushayela ke imoto la eGoli.
Cela ungiqala phansi.
May you please repeat again?
Yes. Certainly. You were resident in 2014 in Mahlabathini in KwaZulu-Natal.
Uthi umshushisi ngomnyaka 2014 kade uhlala eMahlabathini ngaphansi kwesifundazwe saKwaZulu-Natal.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, is there a reason why you did not go for your learner driving license at the DLTC closer to Mahlabathini and you chose to do yours in Gauteng?
Umbuzo ke Sotobe uthi ngabe sikhona yini isizathu esakwenza ukuthi ushiye zonkana indawo ezenzisa ama-learners eseduze nendawo esemahlabathini KwaZulu-Natal kepha wona ke ukhethe ukuthi ukushayela ulibangise eGoli ngenhloso yokuthi ufike ke eGoli uwenze ke i-learners yakho la eGoli?
Angaze ngize ngishayele. Ukushayela bengakwazi ngoba ngizokwenza learners bengakwazi ukushayela. I-learners ngakhetha ukuthi ngiyenze la eGoli.
I have never drove any vehicle, and the reason for me not to drive any vehicle it is because of I was not in a possession of a learner's or a driver's license. However, I only chose to do my learners here in Gauteng.
Njengoba ngeke ngathi ukuthi mina bengisuka ekhaya ngilethe ama-CV ami emakhampanini ala eGoli kodwa amakhampani eNatal akhona kodwa siyawashiya amakhampani aseNatal sizofuna amakhampani ala eGoli.
Just like as I've said that I even used to travel from home to Gauteng to drop off my CVs at some of the companies that are based here in Gauteng, even though there are companies back at home. But we choose to leave the companies from my homestead to come and drop our CVs this side of Gauteng.
Kodwa nje bengihlala ekhaya.
However, I was still staying at home
Yes.
in my homestead.
You see, Mr. Matlo testified in cross-examination by advocating Malo for accused number 4 that there is a driving license testing center in Nongoma.
Bathi umnumzana koMatlowo wakhuluma ngesikhathi wabuza kwimibuzo umnumzana Nxumalo wathi washo ukuthi noma wathi likhona i-driving test laphayana duze nakwaNongoma noma kwaNongoma.
Lalela.
I am listening.
Are you saying that you chose not to use a driving license testing center in your area where you lived and chose to travel all the way to Gauteng for a learner
Umbuzo ke uthi umshoshe
driving license test?
umshoshe siyabuza ke sodoba uthi mhlawumbe wakhetha wena ukuthi ungahambi uye le ekhaya wenze i-learners yakho duze nakwaNongoma kule traffic department ebeyikhona laphayana ke kepha wakhetha ukuthi uzelana ke eGoli uzoyenza khona.
Ngoba ngishila ngathi izinto uma ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu unelungelo ukuthi enze into la athanda ukuyenza khona ngoba nje ngakhetha ngathanda ukuthi i-license yami i-learners yami ngiyenze la eGoli yingoba ngangithanda ukuthi ngiyenze la eGoli.
Just like as I've said, a person has a right to do things where they want to know, where they wish to do them. And that is the reason as to why I chose to do my learners here in Gauteng other than doing it back at home.
Ngoba ngishila ngathi ziningi izinto ukuthi amakhampani eKZN maningi kakhulu kodwa siyakhetha ukushiya amakhampani aseKZN size amakhampani nala eGoli.
Just like as I've made an example with the companies, there are a lot of companies around KZN. However, we always choose, no, maybe at times we choose to leave those companies that are based in KwaZulu-Natal and come and drop our CVs under the companies, no, to the companies that are based here in Gauteng.
Fana nabantwana benkolo nabantwana abahlala la ePitori thothi bafunda esikoleni saseThembisa akusili icala lokho ukuthanda komuntu uthanda ukufunda kuphi.
Just like the schools, there are kids from Pretoria that are schooling in Tembisa. That is what they exercised. That is their choice in which they have exercised.
So God please, Manotas, it's time for the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment? 13:04.
Okay. Asiphakamile mfowethu.
Welcome to the fire where the stakes ignite, where the questions burn hotter than the night. No escape once you're locked in the heat. This is your trial on the hot seat.